Alrighty, everyone. Welcome. We're going to do another conversions video today. We're going to do heat energy. Okay? So we're going to convert from a metric heat energy back to an imperial heat energy and then back again. So what we need is some kind of a starting point. What units are we dealing with? So the imperial version of heat energy is what we call the British thermal unit, or BTU. And what a BTU is, it's basically the amount of heat required, you can see it here, to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Now, the metric version of this is the kilowatt, or more specifically, we can say kilowatt hour. I always just use the term kilowatt in anything I do, but realistically, it's a kilowatt hour. What I'm going to do is down in the link below, I'll link to a video that shows you the difference between kilowatts and kilowatt hours. But just keep in mind, when I say kilowatt, really I mean kilowatt hour. Okay? And the number that we need to remember in any case is that 1 kilowatt or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3,412 BTUs. Now, the best way to learn how to deal with this and do some conversions is to actually do a couple questions. So there we go. We got some in front of us. We got our starting point once again, 1 kilowatts, 3,412 BTUs. And so if we're going to go from kilowatts to BTUs, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. So we're going to take the number of kilowatts, we got 5, and we're going to multiply them by the number of the BTUs in a kilowatt. What we end up is 17,060 BTUs. Same thing with the second one, 7.29 kilowatts. We want to change that into BTUs. Well, we take the number of kilowatts we have and multiply it once again by 3,412, the number of BTUs in a kilowatt. And we end up with 24,873. All right, now we'll go the reverse. We'll start with the BTUs. We'll take 1,000 of them. And how we roll here is we take 1,000 BTUs and we divide it by the number of BTUs we would have in 1 kilowatt. Once again, we're at the 3,412 number. What we'll do by this is we'll turn it into kilowatts. And we'll say this is 0.293 kilowatts. Now, the reason I chose 1,000 was this is what we call the calorific value of natural gas. 1 cubic foot of natural gas, if burned, contains 1,000 BTUs, or 1 cubic foot of natural gas contains 0.293 kilowatts. Same thing, we'll roll down here, 2520, that's propane. That's 1 cubic foot of propane, if burned, contains 2520 BTUs. To get that to kilowatts, once again, we divide it by 3,412, and we get 0.739 kilowatts. All right, I hope this helped you guys. Have a great day, have a great night, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.